Have you ever wondered what the future of road technologies might look like? In our everyday lives, we rely heavily on road networks. They connect our homes to our workplaces, our cities to the world. Yet we often overlook the technological marvel that roads represent. As we stand on the cusp of a new era, technology is set to revolutionize not just the way we drive, but also how our roads function. Imagine roads that communicate with vehicles, guiding them to their destinations while ensuring safety and efficiency. Picture asphalt that heals itself, reducing maintenance costs and environmental impact. Envision solar roadways that generate power, and roads that wirelessly charge electric vehicles as they drive. These ideas may sound like science fiction, but they're closer to reality than you might think. Innovations in road technology are paving the way for a safer, more sustainable, and interconnected transportation network. As we journey into the future, let's take a look at some cutting-edge road technologies on the horizon. Imagine a world where cars communicate not just with each other, but with the road itself. Welcome to the era of smart highways and connected vehicles, a technological revolution set to redefine the way we travel. Smart highways are not just about traffic management. They are a bold step towards a truly connected transportation network. By integrating advanced sensor technology and wireless communication, these highways allow for a two-way exchange of information between vehicles and the infrastructure. One key feature of this system is automated speed control. Imagine your vehicle automatically adjusting its speed based on posted speed limits or real-time traffic conditions. No more guesswork, no more speeding tickets, just smooth, efficient, and safe driving. Next, consider the concept of cooperative maneuvers. In this scenario, connected vehicles talk to each other, sharing information about their speed, direction, and position. This communication enables smoother lane changes, reduces the risk of collisions, and even optimizes traffic flow. The result? Safer roads and less time wasted in traffic. But the benefits of smart highways don't stop there. Personalized navigation takes the driving experience to a whole new level. Drivers receive real-time updates on accidents, delays, and even suggested optimal routes based on their specific destinations. It's like having a personal traffic assistant on board, guiding you every step of the journey. This is not science fiction. This is the future of transportation. As technology continues to evolve, so too will our roads. And with these advancements, we will see a dramatic enhancement in traffic management, making our roads safer, more efficient, and more interconnected than ever before. Smart highways and connected vehicles could dramatically enhance traffic management, making our roads safer and more efficient. This is the dawn of a new era, an era where technology paves the way for a revolutionary approach to transportation. So buckle up and get ready for the ride of the future. What if roads could repair themselves, reducing maintenance costs and increasing their lifespan? Imagine a world where our roads are as alive and self-sufficient as nature itself. That's the promise of self-healing asphalt. This isn't some far-off sci-fi concept. It's real, it's here, and it's paving the way to a more sustainable future. Self-healing asphalt is designed to repair itself when damaged. Tiny capsules filled with healing agents are embedded within the asphalt. When a crack appears, these capsules break, releasing the healing agent, which then seals the crack. This process not only increases the lifespan of the road but also reduces the need for maintenance work, saving time, money, and resources. But the road to sustainability doesn't stop at self-repairing asphalt. Researchers are exploring other ingenious healing mechanisms. One of these is the use of shape memory polymers. These extraordinary materials have the ability to remember their original shape. When a crack forms, the polymers are triggered, often by heat, causing them to revert to their original form, effectively healing the crack. Another promising avenue of research involves utilizing bacteria in asphalt. Yes, you heard right, bacteria. Certain types of bacteria produce a limestone byproduct when exposed to water. These bacteria can be mixed into the asphalt so that when a crack forms and water seeps in, the bacteria spring into action, producing limestone that fills and seals the crack. It's a fascinating blend of biology and technology, creating a living, breathing, and healing road surface. The potential environmental benefits of these technologies are considerable. By decreasing the frequency of road repairs, we reduce the consumption of raw materials and energy. Plus, roads that last longer mean less disruption and congestion from maintenance work. This sustainable technology could transform our road infrastructure, making it more resilient and cost-effective. It's a testament to human ingenuity, a merging of science and sustainability that could redefine our relationship with the road beneath our wheels. The road to the future, it seems, is self-healing. Could our roads double as power generators, harnessing the sun's energy to produce electricity? This might sound like science fiction, but the concept of solar roadways is a captivating solution being explored to push the boundaries of renewable energy. The underlying premise is simple enough: converting our vast stretches of roadways into solar power plants. However, as with any ambitious idea, there are challenges to overcome. The most significant of these is improving the efficiency of solar panels designed specifically for roadways. Traditional solar panels are not built to withstand the heavy traffic loads that roads endure daily. As a result, researchers are tirelessly working to develop panels that are not only robust, but also capable of converting sunlight into electricity more efficiently. The second challenge lies in the installation costs. Covering every inch of our roads with solar panels would be an astronomically expensive venture. A more practical approach might involve a segmented design. Imagine solar panels installed only in designated areas such as shoulders, medians, or bus lanes. This strategy would significantly reduce costs while maximizing sun exposure. Another considerable hurdle is the concern of safety and durability. Roads are subject to a variety of conditions, from scorching heat to freezing cold, not to mention the wear and tear from vehicles. Solar panels would need to be resilient enough to withstand these conditions and maintain functionality. However, despite these challenges, the potential benefits of solar roadways are hard to ignore. They could provide a substantial source of clean, renewable energy, reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, and even contribute to the fight against climate change. While there are hurdles to overcome, solar roadways could play a key role in our renewable energy future. The road ahead might be filled with challenges, but it's also paved with immense potential. As we journey into the future, we might just find that the road beneath our wheels is not just a path, but a power generator lighting the way forward. Imagine if your electric vehicle could charge while you drive, eliminating range anxiety and lengthy charging stops. Welcome to the world of inductive charging roads, a technological leap poised to power the future of transportation. Inductive charging roads work on the principle of electromagnetic fields transferring energy between two circuits, a transmitter embedded in the road and a receiver in the vehicle. This cutting-edge technology allows electric vehicles to charge dynamically, that is, while in motion. Imagine the impact on the electric vehicle market. No more lengthy charging stops or range anxieties. Electric vehicles could truly become the vehicle of choice for long-distance travel. However, as with any pioneering technology, there are challenges to overcome. One of the major hurdles is foreign object detection. Roads are far from pristine environments. They're littered with metal objects, from lost keys to errant soda cans. These objects can interfere with the magnetic fields created by the charging coils, potentially leading to inefficiencies or safety hazards. To tackle this, developers are working on advanced detection systems that can identify these objects and ensure the safe operation of the charging system. Another challenge lies in standardization. To ensure wide-ranging compatibility, we need a universal standard for these inductive charging systems. This would enable vehicles from different manufacturers to use the same charging infrastructure, much like how petrol stations serve all makes and models today. Standardization is not just about convenience, it's about accessibility. It's about making this technology available to everyone, regardless of the make or model of their electric vehicle. Inductive charging roads hold the promise of a world where electric vehicles are the norm, not the exception. A world where transportation is not just sustainable, but also seamlessly efficient. A world where the road you drive on is not just a passive piece of infrastructure, but an active participant in your journey. Inductive charging roads could revolutionize electric vehicle infrastructure, making EVs more convenient and accessible. The future of transportation is not just about the vehicles we drive, it's also about the roads we drive on. And in this future, the roads are not just taking us to our destination, they're powering our journey. Beyond these advancements, other exciting road technologies are emerging. Picture this: a world where roads illuminate themselves, no need for streetlights. That's the concept behind photoluminescent markings. These glow-in-the-dark lineations enhance nighttime visibility, creating safer routes for all road users, not to mention the energy savings from reduced streetlight use. But that's not all. Imagine roads that could harness the energy from passing vehicles and convert it into electricity. Sound like science fiction? Well, it's becoming a reality with kinetic energy harvesting pavements. By capturing the energy from rolling tires, these innovative road surfaces can generate power, which can then be funneled back into the grid or used for roadside amenities. These groundbreaking technologies are just a glimpse of what's to come. The future of our roads is bright, with innovation paving the way for a safer, more sustainable and interconnected transportation network.